This video will show you how to upgrade from a previous version to the recent 4.0 Avian Wallet. If you installed in the default directory, in Windows search type %appdata and hit enter. Navigate inside the Avian folder. Next, we need to download the recent version 4.0 or the most recent version of the Avian Wallet. I'm gonna download it for Windows. Save it anywhere. Make sure you have WinRAR or 7-zip installed so you can extract it. Once it's done downloading, extract it. After the extraction, navigate inside and head into the bin folder. In here, you want to copy the AVN-QT, hold Ctrl+C. Afterwards, open the AppData folder where you have your previous install and simply delete AVN-QT. Once that's done, hold Ctrl+V to paste the new AVN-QT. Simply double click and run it. And after it's done loading the blocks, your balance should be available. If you have any questions or would like to follow the development of the network, join us on Discord. We're on every major platform that you use. Links in the description below.